Hello students, good morning to everybody. I hope you all safe at your home. In this session, we are going to learn Unit 2 Prose and Poem Question and Answers and 1 marks. Okay, let's move. And first one is Prose. A choose. Okay, first one is the wind hurried and passed through the dash. Which one is right? Pines and deodars. Okay, second one is the market was dash away from the village. How many miles? 3 miles. Okay, very good, super. Usha went to visit a dash house after shopping in the market. Which one is right? Grandfather and cousin. Yes, very good. Aunt. And the fourth one is Usha took shelter in the dash. Which place? Ruins, caves, dens. Which one is right? Ruins. Very good. At, at dawn, the dash began to sing. Which one is thrush? And this one is the detective's dictionary. Choose the correct word from the box and fill in the blanks. See these words: evidence, clue, detective, suspect, and victim. And first one is a dash is someone who investigates a crime. Crime investigate பண்ணுறவங்கள நம்ம detective அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். A dash is someone who suffers the effect of a crime. Victim. Okay, third one, someone who might have committed a crime is a suspect. And the fourth one is a dash is an idea or fact that help us solve a mystery. Clue. And the fifth one is and dash is an information we have that proves us that something is true. The answer is evidence. Okay va? Next we are going to learn prose question and answers. Okay students, let's see unit 2 prose question and answers. The wind on the haunted hill. The first question is, why was it a struggle for the children to dry their clothes? Answer is, it was a struggle for the children to dry their clothes because there was always a wind which blew away the cloths. Okay, it was a struggle for the children to dry their clothes because there was always a wind which blew away the cloths. Okay, and second question, what story did grandfather tell them about the haunted hill? The answer is, grandfather told Usha and Suresh about the English people who lived on the hill 100 years ago. During a terrible storm, one of the houses was hit by lightning and all the English people in it were killed, including the children, a brother and sister. Grandfather had seen the ghost many times playing in the moonlight. And the third one is, what did Usha buy in the market? List them. Answer is, Usha bought soap, matches, spices, sugar, a new pipe stem for grandfather's hockey, and exercise book and marbles for Suresh, and a necklace for herself. Okay, and the fourth question is, what scared Usha during the dark rainy night? The black clouds, the howling wind, the heavy rain, sudden flash of lightning, the wild cat, the storm, the booming thunder, and the ghost scared Usha during the dark rainy night. Fifth question is, how did the children react when they met each other at the ruins? When the children met each other at the ruins, They fell into each other's arms. They were surprised and relieved that all they could do was laugh and giggle and repeat each other's names. And the 5 questions are completed. Next we are going to learn poem on marks. Read the statements and say true or false. And the first one is, the traveler came at noon. False. What is the right answer? The traveler came at night. Okay. Second one, the house was situated in the forest. Yes, true. And third one is, there were ghostly listeners inside the house. Yes, true. And the fourth one is, the traveler came to the house by bicycle. False. Which one is right? The traveler came to the house by horse. Okay, very good. The phantoms answered and asked the traveler to go away. False. The phantoms not answered and asked the traveler. Okay. The phantoms not answered. Okay, va? Next, we are going to learn the poem question and answers. And next one is unit 2 poem, the listener's question and answers. Who is the speaker? The speaker is a traveler. What was the horse doing? The horse was biting and chewing the grass noisily. Who were the listeners? The listeners were the phantom or ghost who lived in the lonely house. How did the traveler feel when nobody answered? The traveler felt confused and stood still when nobody answered him. What kind of feeling does the poem create? Students, today homework is copy this question and answers in your notebook. This is for your homework today. Okay, I hope you all understood this session. Thank you so much.